Hello and welcome to Cass Academy and Mastery's class on using an abacus. Today we're going to be adding three-digit numbers. So our first problem is going to be 378 plus 110. And just a quick reminder, we have our ones place, our tens place, our hundreds place, and our thousands place. And so our first problem, 378, we're going to do 300s. 1, 2, 3, 7 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to add 110. So we're going to move over 100 and 110. And you see we have 0 ones. So our answer for this problem, we have 4 in our hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see we have 8 in our tens place. And we also have 8 in our ones place. And so our answer is 488. Our next problem is going to be 756 plus 122. So we're going to move over 7 of our hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to add 122. So we're going to have 100, 20, 10, 20, 2, 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 870, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 878. 878. Our next problem is going to be 887 plus 102. So we're going to move over 800s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 800s, 8 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to add 102. So we're going to have 100, and we have 0 in our tens place and 2 in our ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 hundreds. We have, 8 tens, and we have 9 ones. So we have 989. Our next problem is going to be 748 plus 110. So we're going to move 7 of our hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. And we have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to add 110. And so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 850, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So we have 858. Our next problem is going to be 95 plus 900. So 95, we're going to start in the tens place, and we're going to add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to add 9 hundredths. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. And so we have 9 hundredths, 9 tens, and 5 ones, and so we have 995. Our next problem is 206 plus 270. So if we have 200 and we have nothing in our tens place, we have 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to add 270. So we're going to add 200s. And we have 7 tens here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And we have no ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 400, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have 470. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 476. So thank you for joining our lesson today on using an abacus and adding 3-digit numbers.